Hi, I'm Dr. Andrea Burnell, and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 6 weeks for EDU 310. We're going to be discussing positive behavior guidance. This is the text for the book for this course. There we go. Hopefully, you're not seeing it backwards, and you should have a copy of the text because there will be required readings from it during each week. For this week, we are going to talk about why guidance matters with regard to behavior and some historical perspectives and some theories about behavior. There are some optional materials. There are some videos that I do have links for you to watch. I would suggest that you watch them when you have a chance. And this week it's only one video, and it's actually not even a very long video. And the assignments for this week are going to be discussing the difference between guidance and control. And you are going to be writing your philosophies of guidance, and everything is going to be due on Saturday before midnight. If you have any issues with any assignments, reach out to me. If you have questions about how to do something, I'm here. If you haven't had a chance, please take a look at your Meet Your Instructor. It gives directions for how to get a hold of me. I am very responsive via email, usually within a couple hours, sometimes right away if I have my phone close by. I'm happy to set up a time to talk with any of you if you have any questions or concerns that require more personal interactions face-to-face where we can see each other. The other thing, speaking of seeing each other, is that I would encourage you to try different kinds of modalities to show me your understanding, to demonstrate your understanding. You can do a narrated presentation. So if you do choose to do any kind of presentation, make sure that you do have a narration. You can do a video. You can do this for your posts. You can do this for your assignments. So I encourage you to try something a little bit different, and I'm really looking forward to spending the next 6 weeks learning with you. Take care.